In this video, we're going to show you how to change the settings of the door locks and the folding mirrors in the Lamborghini Huracan. Turn the accessory on by lifting the switch and pushing the start-stop button. Dash will light up. Located here on the main console, hit the car button. That'll show you vehicle settings. Take the bigger knob here, turn it over to vehicle settings, click that, and then push down again for central locking. Scroll down to fold mirrors, and you can toggle between on and off. We'll turn them on. Also, to do the door locks, here you have two different settings. One's driver first, then passenger, or you can select all at the same time. We're going to select all. Now that you've updated the settings on your Huracan, once you hit lock, the mirrors will fold automatically. And that's how you change the settings on your folding mirrors and the door locks in your Lamborghini Huracan. I'm Tom, and you can find me at Lamborghini Palm Beach.